We were looking back at our caseload this year, and we got a number of cases from what we did with you in 23, or sorry, in 24. We need to be back into this. Like, we're mad that we stopped. And again, it's because of that cumulative effect and what it does over time. And so I think we need to understand. So what we tell our clients is, I'll have somebody say, I'll try it for 4 months. I'll say, then don't sign up, because we do 4-month contracts. Because I want that barrier of entry to feel painless. So if they're like, I'll try you for 4 months, see what you can do, I'll just say, nope, I'm not interested. What do you mean? And I'll be like, because if you're doing this for 4 months, you're not going to be happy. If you aren't thinking at least 8 or 12 months, then you probably need to find something else. And they're like, okay, fine, I'll give it 8 months and things like that, or 12 months. If people pass 6 months with us, they start getting that fruition. Our retention of people who make it 6 months is like way off, like 94, 95%. It kind of goes around there. Because we know if we can get them to stick around long enough to see the results, it's kind of like, they're going out into an empty field and they're putting down, they're planting corn in the field or beans and whatever else. And then they sit there for 2 days and they're like, forget this doesn't work. And then they walk off, and then they come back 3 months later and they're like, whoa, there's a field full of, vegetables and fruit here. So that's kind of the principle. And I think that's why they do that.